पूर्णात् पूर्णमुदच्यते पूर्णस्य पूर्णमादाय पूर्णमेवावशिष्यते। ॐ शान्ति शान्ति शान्तिः। We had been seeing that the Avidya Sutra, which was I am different and self Atma or the Devata is different. That means I am a finite person. One is person, one is Atma, other is body. What is the difference between person? The consciousness identified to the body is person. Somebody passes away, so you say his body has come. But you don't say person has come. So, person means what? Vyakti. So, Vyakti means what? Vyakti means expression. Naam Rupatmak Chetana is Vyakti. नाम रूप अध्यारोपित चैतन्य is व्यक्ति. So this व्यक्ति is neither body and व्यक्ति is neither consciousness. The mixing of the consciousness with the body is Vyakti. Moment I put myself as a Vyakti, as one individual, as one finite entity, as a person, as a separate one from this others, the world becomes a source of fear. Yasya udaram bhayam kurute tasya bhayam bhavati. Taittiriya says, if little sense of difference is there, yasya udaram antaram kurute tasya bhayam bhavati. The world is a source of fear. Why? Because this Vyakti is attackable. Not the body I am saying. Vyakti is attackable. Finite I is attackable. So Vyakti will have worries. Vyakti will have future. Vyakti will have past. And therefore he is called the Devanam Pashuhu. This Vyakti, he is whipped by desires and he is whipped by karmphal. And on him there is a superimposition of Varna and Ashram. So in the last class also, and how he is obstructed from the knowledge because of his desire. And this is mentioned in the 17th verse. 17th verse, we were seeing this verse. This is the actually the Vyakti, there is one dhatu called Anj. Anj means to express. Anj, to express. And ta pratyay akta. So it expressed. And V plus the, so Vyakti. Dhatu is Anj, to express. Anjan, Anjan word, you know that? Anjan, the kajal. Anjan is called. Because it expresses your eyes. Small eyes, it can express bigger. That is called Anj. You can love Sanskrit also. And you can see how much beauty is there in our words. So Anj, from Anj, there is called Kta Pratyay. So from Kta, so PP, past, present, participle. So Akta Vyakti, then Abhivyakti, very big expression. So this is an expression of a Jeev. Acha, what? He is now person. He is now person. This is what I was telling, one who lives, one who is not life, one who lives. Lives means what? One who is life identified with the inert and mithya world is liver. He is the liver of life. He lives. He moves. He finds his place. There is another existing with respect to him. There is another person, another world is there who gives him some place and who can take my place. He is under threat. That is called Vyakti. So Desh, Kal, Vastu, Parichinna, Chaitanyam. So this is the consciousness conditioned by time, space and object. By karma, Desh, Kal, Vastu, karma. With karma he identifies, I am a good person, I am a bad person. So this is where Upanishad comes to attack this one now. And to attack this one, it is telling all this is adhyarop, superimposition. And if adhyarop is there, what it goes through, this process is being told in this particular Brahman, fourth Brahman. And now, because he has ashram vyavastha. So in that ashram vyavastha is based on age. And Varna Vyavastha is based on samskar. Varna Vyavastha is based on samskar. And Ashram Vyavastha is based on age. Among these two, Ashram is more important than Varna. Okay. So, Ashram Vyavastha is there. So, because it is aiming something. Ashram is aiming something. Varna is not aiming. Varna will tell the duty, but ashram will tell the means and goal both. So ashram vyavastha is based on param laksh. There is a target. Target ashram is param ashram. That is sannyas ashram. Keeping that in mind, all other ashrams are there. And therefore, now he has gone into grahastha ashram. So now let us see now. Atma ev idam agre asit. Here Atma, if you remember, I said Agyaha Brahmachari. Brahmachari, he is not married because he'll think of marrying. A married person should not think of marrying. But here he will be thinking of marrying. So Agyaha Brahmachari, the one who is ignorant. So and agri means what? Vivahat purvam. Before the marriage. Before the marriage, agri. Before the marriage. What happened? Ek ev saha. So earlier he was alone. So akamayata, he desired. What he desired? Jaya me syat. देखो ये आ गए, यहाँ पे इनका शुरू हो गया. Jaya me syat. Jaya means wife. Wife is called Jaya. Jayayam putrupena jayate iti Jaya. In the wife, the same husband is born as a son, and therefore she is called Jaya. Husband is reborn as a son. So this is called Jaya. So he thought, let me have what? Let me have wife. Why? Morning class. Desire was there. Morning class. So the conviction that I am incomplete without something, and I can never have joy without that object. क्या conviction है? वाह! Conviction is I am incomplete. I can never have joy without that person, without that object. I will be eternally sad if I don't have. हम खत्म ही हो जाएंगे, कुछ नहीं कर सकते हमसे. I am insecure, I am sad, I am incomplete, I have no face without that particular thing and a person. An outer thing has everything to give to me. It will definitely fulfill my requirement. Let me attain it. This is desire's area. I will just show you what Bhashyakar has to say. See second paragraph, page 310. 310, second paragraph. Swabhavikya, got it? Swabhavikya, swatmani. Swabhavikya means because of ignorance. Kartra adi karak kriya phalatmakata adhyaropa lakshanaya avidya vasanaya vasitah. He is having the ignorance. Achha? And what is the nature of the ignorance? Nature of the ignorance is superimposition. What is superimposition? Kartra adi karak. You remember karak? Seven things were there. Karta, karma, karana. Huh? You forgot? Huh? हाँ, कर्ता, करण, कर्म, फिर क्या था? संप्रदान. कर्ता, कर्म, करण, संप्रदान, अपादान. Then, संबंध, फिर अधिकरण. You should by heart it now. One who superimposes on I am doing, you are talking to me. This work was done by mine. See all how are superimposing. I did it, this is karta. You are talking to me, I have become karma. By me this was done, karan. He is doing for me, I have become sampadhan. From me, this place has come out. This is apadhan. I am of my father. This is sambandh. And I am here. So this is adhikaran. इसने अपने ऊपर डाल लिया. अच्छा, कारक क्रिया, then I am doing. फल, I am सुखी दुखी. अध्यारोप लक्षणाया. अध्यारोप, इसका नाम हो गया कामित्वान. So he thought, let me have wife. Why he wanted wife? Because he wanted to do yajna and get big fruit. Therefore he wanted wife. This is one way to say. And second thing, he wanted joy and seva. He wanted somebody should give me that identity which nobody can give. I told you, biggest thing in marriage is that I get someone for whom I am the world. If this is not in marriage, there is no joy in marriage. So somebody should at least make me feel that for me you are everything. कुछ भी हो जाए, we will not leave you, I will not leave you forever. We will live together for years together. This is the superimposition of the who gives me very big eye. अजीब सा psychology है ये. So for him, And for him, nobody else should be important. For her, nobody else should be important. From him and her both, I cannot share. I cannot share you. A wife cannot say, I like that person also a lot. And you also. The also से नहीं काम चलेगा. फिर alone करो उसको. Alone चाहिए वहाँ पे. Neither husband can say, that I like you also. हाँ, ये relation ऐसा है. A typical relation, quite a complex relation. Because it is based on false expectation, therefore complexity is more in this. Anywhere falseness is more, it will be complex now. And you cannot say. You can say to somebody, your mother is like my mother, your father is like my father, your brother is like my brother. यहाँ तक चल जाएगा, बहुत खुश हो जाए. You cannot say your husband is like my husband or your wife is like my wife. You cannot say like that. All relations will break. It's a very sensitive area. क्यों? अरे कोई हम किसी के लिए सब कुछ होने चाहिए. Even for wife is there and for husband. If mother is more than the wife will be upset. And for husband, if wife's mother, she keeps on calling off and on, husband will not be happy. You must have experienced, I think. I have no such experience. But it is my reading or understanding. This must be the case, as far as I can think. कोई भी नहीं, आपका भाई, sister, जो भी हो. Nobody should be bigger than me. I give my life to you. Both are saying to each other. They don't agree, they are taking the life also. So here, Jaya Mesya. So two meanings. For the yajna, I need a wife to give me completeness, and also for a bigger अगर अच्छी marriage हो गई, supposing, it's a quite a difficult term. It's called oxymoron. क्या है? Oxymoron, sorry. Oxymoron. It's difficult. If marriage is very good, because you cannot have forever any. I told you now, this word partner is very good. Who are meant to part. You know what the Sanskrit says, Valmiki Ramayana? Sarve sanyogaha viyoganta. Well, all sanyog is for viyog only. अच्छा, हाँ. अब क्या करें हम? वाइफ का क्या करें? हम को बता रहे हैं. So first she gives me. Okay. If child is not there, it is okay. चल जाएगा, ठीक है. Because child, that emotion of child is there where I have vatsalya. From the child, I don't want to listen, I am world for you, you are world for me. नहीं, उतना नहीं है. I got that identity from somewhere else. From my son, daughter, I don't want that identity. Okay. So from child, I want to possess. It is more of love than respect. It is more of mamta than ahamta playing. So first he thought, let me have wife. Jaya me syat. Full stop. After that, atha prajayeya. Then he wants praja. Prajaye means son. He wants son. Acha. Prajayeya. There is another, I want a son whom I can call mine. When I'll get old, at least he'll be around me. He will be around me. A day will come, my identity will start losing. A day will come, I will not be able to work. So I will be introduced from my child. That इनके माता जी हैं, इनकी पिताजी हैं. This is person, this engineer Rahul Kumar, his father, he is his father. At least now I can't walk, he is there, he will take care. Okay, so that child is there, that वासना. कोई हमारे अंडर में रहे, कोई साथ रहे, कोई छोटा मान के रहे. That vasana is there, somebody should be very small and he should cling to me. This vasana is there. I want somebody to cling me, who should cry without me. So that vasana is there. We are not a simple person. Okay. Atha prajayeya. अच्छा हाँ, अब बच्चा आ गया हमारे पास. I can play with him. I can pass time with him. He will cry, mummy, mummy, papa, papa, give me this, give me thing. You have some innocence around you. It gives lot of joy. And in future also. 2 हो गए, तीसरा देखते हैं. अथ वित्तम में स्यात्. Now इन दोनों को मेंटेन कैसे करें? Maintenance cost is very high. So in Hindi they say, बोले घर बना के देखो और शादी रचा के देखो. अब वित्तम में स्यात्. Wife's requirement is too much now. The child who is there, he is not going to go in school. Lot of books, admission, ye, wo, laptop, all these things he wants nowadays. Now vitt is there, house is required. Vitt means it has come from vid dhatu. Vid, to know. You are aware I have this. Dhan, I told you, dhatte dhanam. This vitt also has come from vid dhatu. So you are aware I have money. And if you don't have, you are quite conscious. Any expenditure is there, बोले जरा देखो कितना बाकी है. Supposing you have to purchase something, so that when money is less, you are constantly counting and finding out. When you have more, you are aware. Of which you are aware I have. चलो भाई दे देते हैं. Let me purchase this. Let's go out. So वित्तम में स्यात्. 3 हो गया. पूरा परिवार आ रहा है देखिए. अथ कर्म कुर्वीय. Now he did the action. Why the action is done? Action is done to get money. Action is done to get some social status. Action is done to make something which was not mine as mine. अब ये हो गया. अच्छा, अब इनसे हो गया. So पत्नी, पुत्र. अच्छा, in vittam there are 2 vittam. One is called manush vittam, other is called daivittam. I'll just introduce one word called pankt. Technical word is there. Panktah. Panktah. So Vedic karma is called panktah. Panktah. Well, why it is called pankt? Wait, let me complete. A ritual which involves 5 components is called pankt. Pankt. So patni, yajman, putra, manushvittam and daivittam. फिर से बोल देते हैं. पत्नी, second is yajman, third is putra, fourth is manushvittam and fifth is daivittam. This is called pankt. Panktibhihi yuktah iti pankt. Associated with 5 is called pankt. Because this word will be coming in the last line, therefore I say let me end it. Who is patni? A patni is a technical word in Sanskrit, in our Shastra. Patyu yajna sanyoge. Patyu yajna sanyoge saha. Who is associated in yajna with the husband is called patni. Well, again say, I didn't know all these things. Patyu yajna sanyoge. Well, in the yajna etc., she should be there with you. Well, but why she should be there in trouble? Why can't I do yajna alone? Who made all these rules? That wife should be there with you. अब देखो ये टॉपिक तो अलग हो रहा है थोड़ा सा. When 2 minds have a common sankalp, that sankalp becomes very strong. And with the sankalp of a husband, wife, sankalp, both must have decided together to have a yajna. And therefore the sankalp of the yajna, and therefore when pati patni is there, sankalp is not taken independently. Generally, if you are alone, you will take sankalp like this. Not like this. You have to do like this, right. But if you have seen, if husband and wife both are there, so both will put the hands together and they both will take the sankalp together, and this both the sarees tied with the dhoti of that husband, they are not one now. Shakti and Shaktiman both are required to bring some effect. Like my speech is there. So my speech is my Patni. And I am the Pati of that speech. To bring out the speech, this reflected consciousness along with the power both are required. Like to bring out the child, you need the husband also and the wife also. I hope you are clear. So in the Patni aspect, Shakti aspect is there. And the Pati aspect, Shaktiman aspect is there. She has a power. She has a power of creativity. But power of creativity is there along with the husband only. Otherwise she will totally lose her confidence. Without the Pati, Patni will lose confidence. And without Patni, Pati will have no proper will. Both are ineffective with each other. This was needed by Ardhanarishwar concept was there. So Pati, Patni both are required to create something. You need a creative power. So Patni is power of creativity. And Pati is possessor of power of creativity. One who reflects himself in the power of creativity. Whose power of creativity is there? You got my point? So both are together and then the yajna progresses. Okay. This is the basic thing. They both make the things complete. They are the one who are making the things complete. Again shall I say? Patni is power of creativity. And Pati is the possessor of power of creativity. Garbhadhan is what is Garbhadhan? A reflection of the possessor in the possessed. Reflection of the possessor in the power of creativity is called Garbhadhan. And in any yajna, the Pati says, get my point, all the money, all the things are mine. And what all you created, all the arrangement of the house and the yajna, Patni does. But the main money aspect is the Pati is there. If Manush Vittam is not there, you cannot do yajna. So one is creating and other is giving it the stamina, the identity to create. Okay, when both go together, then there is something called good product. Therefore, both are required for yajna. Well, supposing I don't want to do anything, then not required. Then non-required. I don't want to create any yajna, etc. Then why did you marry if you don't want to create anything? Then you could have taken sannyas then. Because sannyasi alone is the one who is not requiring any power. Because he doesn't want any product. He is going to the ultimate cause. Grahastha is going for the effect. And therefore he needs power. Sannyasi is not needing power because he doesn't want the product. He doesn't want any phal. Therefore he says, okay, I don't want. I will go back now. Back means I want to going to the drashta straight away. And therefore for him to have any power, it will be dangerous then. You don't want power because you don't know anything. You only need the Brahma Vidya. And for that, Guru will give you the Brahma Vidya. You don't need son, you don't need daughter, you don't need next fruit, you don't need the fruit of, fame, you don't need fruit of social service, you don't need fruit of swarg, you don't need the fruit of any kind of luxuries, you don't need the joy of money, you don't need any joy, you don't need any objective joy, therefore this power is not required. But moment you want something, you need a power with you. And power alone cannot do unless there is a possessor of power. Power without possessor will corrupt the power. The power will be lost. Power has to be well held. Power should be protected. It should be, because power has sense of joy, and therefore somebody should be protecting that power. Okay, this much is enough. Therefore it is called Patyu Yajna Sanyoge Saha Patni Uchyate. So this is the technical definition of Patni. अच्छा पति का क्या है फिर? अरे पति का बताया था ना, पाती इति पति. पाती, पाती मतलब not leaf. पाती, पा धातु is there. पा means to protect. The one which protects, किसको? The power. One who protects the power. हाँ, अच्छा, हाँ. Then that is there. Okay. Both, therefore both are there. Chalo bhai, let me go ahead. Alone bringing a child is a big challenge. Moment you want a product and you are alone, it will become challenging now. Difficulty हो जाएगी. No, but I am a single mother. Difficulty होगी थोड़ी सी. You have to give the house, protect the house also, and to get the money also. It will be difficult. I am a single father. Difficulty हो जाएगी आपको. Any you want product, you need both then. I hope this much is clear. You will struggle a lot. Okay. Then you yourself have to become power, and you will have to become a holder of power also. दोनों खुद ही बनना पड़ेगा. माता पिता खुद ही बनना पड़ेगा. Okay. I understand. So for the yajna we need pati, patni. Pati is yajman. So patni, yajman. Third was putra. Putra means what? Pumnam narat tatrayate. One who saves from some hell. And hell's name is Pum. Pumnam narat trayate iti putra. Well, saves from hell or takes me to hell? No, by Shraddha etc. he protects me. Acha. Then Manushvit is there. Manushvit, what is Manushvit? Sharir Patavam. Body should be good. If you have some physical disabilities, you can't do yajna. You cannot do yajna if you are physical, because you won't know. Supposing I am not seeing properly, I don't know where to offer ahuti. Ahuti kahan dale, kahin dal diya. You cannot sit for a long time. I see in Durban sometimes. They cannot sit, they need a chair now. For a yajna, chair is required. Yajna kund is down. And they are on the top of the chair. वो भाभी चला गया. यहाँ डाल दिया. क्यों? बैठ पाते नहीं. And sometime, too many are there, they threw. That ahuti has gone in somebody else's face. I have to say, see, you have to put the ahuti exactly, because they didn't see. They didn't see properly. So, sharir patvam is required. You can't be coughing, etc. If you are coughing, please go out, because then you have to do achmanam. You can't keep on sneezing and you can't chant mantra. So you have to immediately take achman and make your mouth clean, because you are chanting devata there. More is your shuddhi, more devatas will be around you. And therefore lot of emphasis was on purification. Then go, cow is required. Hiranyadi, cow is required. Why cow? Why cow? Ghee, where from ghee will come? Go grit is required, go mutra is required, the cow dung is required. All these are part of the yajna. Therefore cows were required. And kheer is required. Acha? Kheer is also one part of the Purnahoti. How will you give? Kheer is required. And after the yajna is over, you have to feed everybody also. Therefore, yajna-shala, go-shala. And last is, Dev? Annashala. You need a very big kitchen. Vidihinam srishtannam mantrihinam adakshanam shraddha virahitam yagyam tamasam parichakshate. If you do yajna and don't feed everybody, that is called tamsik yajna. So you have to feed also. बोले इतना पैसा चला जाएगा यज्ञ में हमारे, तो यज्ञ रिक्वायर्स दिस, देयरफॉर आई सेड मानुष वित्तम. बोले छोटा सा करवा लें 2-3 लोग का, करवा लो, उसमें क्या है. सो बट डू योर यज्ञ एज पर योर कैपेसिटी. You need manush vittam, so you need lot of money. Acha, if pandits are coming, you have to give dakshina also. Dakshina, you have to give some ring, you have to give some chain, etc. Depending on your capacity. Not that you made the pandit chant for 3 hours giving 50 rupees or 100 rupees. Therefore, they fix their charges now. Because you are not getting proper money. Nobody wants to become priest. Money is not there. Up to chant is very difficult for so long time. You chant, then you understand how difficult it is to chant. And what is Daivittam? 3 ho gaya. Daivittam. What is Daivittam? Upasana, your jap. All these things are required for completion of the yajna. And now this person who is desirous, he wants that. He wants all 5. All 5, yes. In any action to perform. So what he wants? Somebody should give me identity. I am coming on the Vyavaharik level now. This was from Yajna standard, Shastri level. Now Vyavaharik level, I will tell you what I want. I want me, wife or husband gives me identity. 3rd son, daughter, somebody who is small. There is a personality who wants to hear, you are mother, father for me. 3rd. Then I want some human with resource. I want a resource in my house. And 5th, I want a upasana also. These 5 things are required for a happier life. Acha, haan. What he desired? He desired everything is desired. Vittam me syat atha karma kurviya. Then it is said, etavan vai kaman icchan. This kaman, this line you have to join, and icchan is there. This much is the desire. That means what? By these things, this much only is desire. No, wait. I am saying that all the desires, all the object of desire can be fulfilled can be used for these 5 factors. You can cover it up. Acha? Haan. It is written, icchan. Na cha na ato bhuya vindeta. There is nothing more than that to desire. But little more is there. Wait, please hold on. All what you want to desire, these are the means. With these means, you can go for infinite desires.